On this episode of the Outsiders Club, Chase and Selah go snorkeling at Ichetucknee Springs State Park.
We'll be capturing every moment with my underwater camera.
And Chase captures every detail. That's enough, Chase. I'm feeling dizzy. Then Chloe and Jalen go head-to-head in a bass fishing smackdown.
Chloe! Woohoo! We got one! One thing I love about fishing is the fight.
Wait, what does that mean?
22 inches, I'd say. Jalen, look what I'm releasing. Just look how big his mouth is.
You're right, Chloe. That is a big mouth. All this outdoor goodness on the Outsiders Club.
Come on, let's go outside. We're gonna have some fun outside. It's where we are, it's who we are. It's the Outsiders Club.
Where is it? It was just here like 2 seconds ago. It's a camera battery about the size of your big toe.
Why my big toe?
I don't know. I only have one battery. Help me look.
Is this it?
Yes, thank you.
My big toe is not that big.
Close enough. Hey, welcome to the Outsiders Club. Me and Selah are in Ichetucknee Springs State Park, getting ready to go snorkeling.
Chase and I will be checking out this beautiful state park and showing you how to explore the many crystal clear springs that make up the Ichetucknee River.
Oh, and we'll be capturing every moment with my underwater camera.
Do you know how to work that thing?
Heck yeah, check it out.
Okay, please get it out of my face. How about you tell them more about this beautiful state park while I finish getting my snorkeling gear ready?
Absolutely. Ichetucknee Springs State Park was founded in 1972 and became a natural national landmark. Today, this park's amazing springs draw visitors from all over the world. The main spring is Head Spring, and then you have a few smaller ones like Blue Hole Spring, Devil's Eye Spring, Grassy Hole Spring, and Mill Pond Spring. Anyway, a lot of springs means a lot to explore, and all these springs push out over 230 million gallons of water a day. Wow.
That means 230 million of these.
Hey, that's my drinking water.
Oops. This park has a lot of TTDs as well, like canoeing, hiking, snorkeling, and tubing. And you can even scuba dive. The point is, there's a lot to do, and all surrounded by amazing trees and an awesome river flowing with clean, clear spring water, the good stuff.
Whew, that water is cold.
Yeah, it's 72 degrees year-round. You know that. Now, while Chase and I get in, check out fellow outsiders Chloe and Jalen as they test their bass fishing skills.
All right, guys, welcome to our stocked pond. Hey, I'm Bryn Rollins from Highland Park Fish Camp here in DeLand, and we are so excited to have Jalen and Chloe here to fish our catch and release stocked pond. They have a really good chance today to catch a big fish. And what I got for you today is some wild shiners. Now, this is the best live bait you can use for bass.
So are there really big fish in here?
There is. We keep it stocked with a lot of bass and catfish. We have a 10-pound bass in here right now. Yeah, so you guys are gonna see a lot of action.
This place is a fisherwoman's paradise. Big pond full of fish, a tackle store nearby, and the best part, bathrooms, so I can stay here as long as I want.
So when the bobber goes down, how long do you suggest we wait before we reel it in?
You really want to wait and see your bobber go down under the water and stay down. If it comes right back up, that's just a movement of the shiner. But if that bobber goes under the water and stays under the water, then you want to prepare to set your hook.
How do you recommend we hook the shiner?
Oh, great. Let me borrow your rod and I'll show you how we do it here.
Okay, great.
So you want to grab the shiner out of the bucket, and remember, he's gonna be pretty frisky, so have a good firm hold on him. And you wanna hook him right through the chin here, and you're gonna go all the way up through his nose. And then you got him hooked on. Okay, so when you throw this bait out, you wanna be real careful with it. They're delicate.
Okay.
You don't wanna keep throwing and retrieving. You wanna kinda put him where you want him and let him do all the work.
I think we're ready to fish.
Yeah, I'm ready to get out there.
Good luck, go after him.
Thank you. Okay, today we are fishing with a simple but effective shiner rig. We are using a spinning outfit rigged with a hook. We are also using a small bobber to keep the shiner from going straight down and hiding in the weeds. And that's pretty much it.
I think I got him. I think I got him.
What? Chase!
Jalen.
For me, one thing I love about fishing is the fight. The battle of hooking them and bringing them in. There he is. Oh!
Yes! I can't believe you got one. It was like only 2 minutes.
Wow.
No, he's huge. That's awesome. If I don't catch one like that by the end of the day, I have to.
Crazy. This pond is a fisherman's paradise.
I'm gonna top that. I'm gonna top that.
Whoa.
That's awesome. He's huge. Look how big his mouth is. Okay, if you can catch a fish this big, I feel like I can catch an even bigger one.
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm. This is definitely not the biggest fish of the day. You wanna bet?
Say no more.
Let's do it. That fish was huge. But he's crazy for thinking that I can't catch a fish even bigger than that one. Here's how it works. Loser buys lunch.
Sounds like a deal.
Fine. So I'm gonna go fish over there and start the winning streak. Have fun.
Have fun. There's no way she's gonna catch a bigger fish than me.
I'm probably gonna fish out close to that tree right there.
Free lunch? Oh, I'll take a free lunch.
I taught him how to fish. What is he even talking about? We did manage to agree on the rules, but here's how we're gonna do it. So each fish we catch, we'll measure it and write it down on the board. And by noon, we're gonna add up all the inches, and whoever has the most inches wins.
Chloe wants a competition? I'll give her a competition.
Let the tournament begin.
He's coming. Oh yes, it's the second one.
There we go.
Ooh, get over there. And we got another one. Ooh, we got a 14-inch.
Alrighty.
That is a 14-inch.
Gosh, I can't believe it. I'm smoking Chloe right now. Whew, this is a big one. That's a 19-inch fish.
New record.
Chloe! Woohoo! We got one.
The entire tournament, Jalen and I are right across from each other.
I don't know what Chloe's doing over there, but we're killing it.
So I can see every single fish he catches. So the pressure is definitely on.
Oh, man. I could taste that free lunch already. I just can't believe how big some of the fish are in here. I've known Chloe for a long time, and we can get pretty competitive.
I go. Oh wait, no, I lost it.
Ugh, I don't understand what's going on. I mean, Jalen is crushing me right now.
I got 4 fish on the board, and she ain't got nothing.
I gotta do something here quick. What? Ugh, are you kidding me? Jalen caught another one. I remembered a trick my dad taught me once. I'm gonna try that. So my dad taught me to get the fish's attention, you gotta pop the bobber a little bit. I don't know if this is gonna work, but I'm just giving it a try.
Whoa! Oh, yes! Yes. Hey, Jalen, look who just caught a fish!
13 inches.
Woo! Yes! Oh, I got a big one. Yes! I got another one!
This one's gotta be at least 15 inches.
I got a pretty big lead, but I can't count Chloe out yet. That girl can fish.
I don't really understand how this is working, but it's working. I can't believe how much these bass love these shiners. They just can't get enough of them.
I think the hook is set. Get over here. There we go. Got it. And that's another one.
You're watching The Outsiders Club, and we'll be right back.
Okay, let's go over a few items you'll need to go snorkeling. Starting with the obvious, you'll need a snorkel and a mask. Make sure you adjust the mask to fit you before you jump in. I like to use anti-fog in my mask. It helps keep it clear so you can see better. I wear a wetsuit to keep me warm, and as a bonus, it provides a little bit of flotation.
You don't need a wetsuit.
True, not everyone needs a wetsuit. You can wear a rash guard, or not, whatever's most comfortable. Let's talk about fins. I recommend a simple and flexible pair that's easy on and easy off. And I recommend having everything in a bag so you can keep it all organized. Lastly, you can bring a camera. Of course, make sure it's an underwater camera.
And remember to bring more than one battery.
She's actually right.
Okay, can I tell them about springs now?
It's on you.
All right, here's a few things you need to know about springs.
The term spring boil is used to describe the upwelling of water, or boil, that is created by the water rushing out of the spring vent. That leads us to the next term, spring vent. This is the hole or opening where water is being forced out of the aquifer. The vent has the highest concentration of water force, and if you ever swim near one, you'll feel it. And a cave is a natural opening or passage, large enough to be explored.
By cave-certified divers only.
You forgot that Florida has over 1,000 springs.
I was getting to that. Let me finish.
Yes, there are about 1,000 known springs in Florida, ranging in size from very small to what's called first magnitude springs, which are basically the biggest springs that pump up the most water. So the Ichetucknee Springs are considered a first magnitude spring system. Hey, when you come to Ichetucknee Springs State Park, be sure to check out the Environmental Education Center. They have a really nice theater room where you can watch this cool movie that shows you what it looks like deep down in the springs. It follows the water from its source all the way to where it comes springing out of the ground. Definitely worth your time. Chase and I gave the movie 2 thumbs up.
Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. Just look how big his mouth is. Jalen, look what I'm releasing. Go, go. Right down. Today, we're shiner fishing, and if you've never been, it's super fun.
I think I got him. Oh, I got a fish!
So it's on. Jalen and I are gonna have a giant tournament and see who catches all the fish. I can't believe how much these bass love these shiners. They just can't get enough of them. This pond may look small, but let me tell you, it's 8 feet deep in the middle and it is loaded with big bass.
We have a couple of pond rules here at Highland Park Fish Camp. It's all catch and release. We want you to catch the fish, but you want to put them back in the water and treat the fish with respect. Take a picture of them and put them back for another fight.
I got you, fishies. This thing's gotta be like at least 17 or 18 inches. 19 inches, yes! Okay, let's get you back in the water so I can catch another one.
There we go. I think the hook is set. Get over here. There we go. Got it. And that's another one. I'm looking at that board and she's catching up.
Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. Okay, this one is huge. She's gotta be at least 22 inches, I'd say. This is a largemouth bass, and you can see why they call them a largemouth bass. Just look how big his mouth is. Jalen, look what I'm releasing.
Here at Highland Park Fish Camp, we're located in DeLand, Florida, and this year we recently celebrated our 55th year in business. We have boats to rent, we have guide services, we sell bait and tackle, we have cabins and a little campground, and of course we have the catch and release stock pond.
Okay, Jalen, it's 12 o'clock.
12 o'clock?
Yeah, it's 12 o'clock right now.
Wait, are you sure you don't want to fish any longer?
No, we made an agreement, 12 o'clock. Come, let's go tally the scores.
Yeah, are you sure these numbers are right?
Oh, come on, Jalen. I was measuring my fish with the same thing you were measuring yours with.
That says 101.
No, that says 19.
No.
Just add up your numbers and I'll add up mine, and then we can tell.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
2 over there.
6, 7, 8. Guess I'm buying lunch. Does anybody have any cash?
What do you got for me?
I have your lunch.
Oh yeah, the sweet taste of victory. I did kind of deserve it. I did a pretty good job today, if I do say so myself.
You did. You
Yeah.
caught a lot of fish. I had one big one. If I would have brought that in, oh.
We got you. Get over here. Oh, he's a fighter. That's what he is.
Oh, man, he got my bait. That would have been a game changer.
If you brought it in, but sadly you didn't.
But this place is so beautiful to fish. This is the biggest fish I've ever caught.
The competition aside, it was a lot of fun.
It was fun. Good job.
Good job.
You guys ready to take a little cruise?
Yeah. Let's do it. So fishing this morning really wore me out, and man, it's just so nice to get on this boat right here and relax.
We're going out on the Norstead River today. I'm gonna take Jalen and Chloe out on a boat ride, and we're hoping to see a lot of wildlife, alligators, turtles, birds, maybe even a manatee, and just get out in some sunshine. We're on a tributary that connects to the St. Johns River. It's called the Norstead River.
Look, it's a turtle.
He's so cute.
It's surrounded by a wildlife refuge. It's all undeveloped waterways, tons of wildlife. It's real old Florida, and you cannot beat this kind of view.
Days like this are one of the reasons why I love being outside.
What a great day Jalen and I had. We caught a ton of fish, I kicked his butt, and then we got a really relaxing cruise on the river. Man, doesn't get any better than this. What a great day to be outside. Want to learn more about the Outsiders Club and watch full episodes of our show?
Visit our website at theoutsidersclub.com.
And remember, keep it outside. Okay, so should we put these back in the water now?
I think so.
Okay, let's do it.
This is a state park.
It's tough being an outsider.
Want more information about our show?
Go to theoutsidersclub.com and remember,
Keep it outside.
Hey, want a cool Outsiders Club t-shirt? Go to theoutsidersclub.com and get you one.
My battery just died.
Finally, so you can put that thing away?
Hey, I captured some epic footage today.
Epic, you filmed yourself most of the day.
Exactly.
Oh boy. Well, they're telling us to wrap it up, so that's our show. Hope you enjoyed it.
And remember to check us out at theoutsidersclub.com. And until next time, keep it outside.
You wanna jump in?
Yeah. Can I get a towel, please?